Sawadee Krap, good morning. Today is 26 October. Today I'm going to discuss very quickly some important points about the reopening of Thailand. Entertainment operators across Pattaya and other parts of Thailand have urged and requested the Thai government to allow the sales of alcohol because nighttime economy plays a very important role. Whether you call it social, economical, or cultural, wise, it creates a huge turnover and it creates a huge revenue. I do remember, according to resources online, that nighttime economy has generated 2 trillion Thai baht. Yes, I repeat again, 2 trillion Thai baht before COVID pandemic or before COVID existed. So I do repeat that please, we are all are requesting to open up the nightlife. It's really spark up the tourism areas, urban areas. And I really repeat that nightlife economy can create lot of revenue and jobs for a lot of local people across Pattaya and other parts of Thailand. For example, major activities happens between 6 p.m. and 6 a.m. in the morning. So a lot of restaurants, bars, nightclubs are allowed to open. Then it will create a lot of boost in the economy and a lot of jobs will be created. So I really urge people to support this opening up the nightlife. Entertainment operators have really requested to open up the nighttime economy. People may be not aware of this terminology, nighttime economy. Nighttime economy is a different term which includes restaurants, food services, nightclubs, bars, other venues, sports and gyms. Like a lot of people who doesn't have time, they spend their extracurricular activities after between 6 p.m. and 6 a.m. So if the reopening plan, Thailand must include the easing of sales of alcohol ban. So they should allow some they should stop the sales of alcohol ban. The ban should be uplifted. Yeah, I do agree they should have some more extra precautions and some more measures should be implemented in order to open up or easing of the alcohol sales. Because we are expecting 100,000 foreign tourists from those 46 low countries list decided by the Thai government. But if the foreigners are visiting, we are expecting 100,000 foreigners. If they are visiting Pattaya and the alcohol sales is not allowed, how they going to enjoy sitting in the restaurant without alcohol? So I really request to all of you, please spread my word. Ask the government to consider the request, lifting up the sales of alcohol ban. Allow sales of alcohol ban as they have lifted the curfew. So keep watching, stay tuned, stay blessed. Sawadee Krap.